Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament 2025. Why in news? Recently, the Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament 2025 was inaugurated by Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. The event aims to inspire youth to contribute actively to India's democratic process and to shape the country's future policies. This initiative brings together young individuals from across India to participate in discussions, debates, and policy making, fostering future leaders. Over 75,000 young people submitted 1-minute videos to participate, and 105 district winners reached the national stage. The Youth Parliament serves as a platform for youth engagement in national discussions, aligning with PM Modi's vision of a developed India. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501 87501. Key highlights of the event. The Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament is structured around question hours where youth MPs raise questions on key national issues. Two major question hours were held discussing critical topics like One Nation, One Election and Viksit Bharat. Expert juries, including union ministers and members of parliament, assessed the debates, which included policy-based questions on governance, youth empowerment, education and sustainability. Participants also attended a master class on oratory skills to help them hone their public speaking abilities. On day 2, participants will visit the new parliament building to observe live proceedings, gaining first-hand experience of the legislative process. The National Youth Awards will be presented to recognize outstanding youth leadership alongside the Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament Awards 2025. Focus on Viksit Bharat. The theme of the 2025 Youth Parliament Viksit Bharat emphasizes youth empowerment, education and skill development as core pillars for India's progress. The dialogue and discussions during the event would pave the way for India's future. The event emphasizes the role of youth in leadership and national development, urging participants to focus on meaningful contributions to policy decisions. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the central theme of the Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament 2025? Empowering women, Viksit Bharat, climate change or health and wellness? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.